Nelson kan ce mana kure ni harkar mai dila da kilo ba.
Rayo ba gurana ba sama dila. Gurana ba sama. Ko kuka ma kasa ku ne kike shi. Ko ba su ba. Inda ba cin da ne wanda biya ya zake da shi. Za ku ba da shi ne.
Everyone, this is NelsonJM, and right now I'm live because I've been trapped somewhere because of the rain. So I want to show you something on the Waec software, and that is in regard of those who have already uploaded because as we all know that the CAS itself has been the system has been updated. There are a lot of changes, and mostly in regard to subjects. All the other data you have been collecting remains the same, but the changes comes from here. So I'll use a school that has uploaded as an example. Let me close this out. I'll switch my school. Take this. So if you look at this, I will come here and restore from online today. Let's bring this down to 2023, 2024. I'm connected to the internet, so I'll pick this one. Okay, there's no candidates. So I told you in a prior video that you can request the Waec office to delete all the data on your system. So if the data is deleted, thank you for coming. For the viewers that are just coming in, you can type your question in the comments, and I'm not sure I'll keep up with the live from the public place, where you can comment your questions in regard to Waec 2026. If you want to enroll or you are a school administrator that is going to carry on the offline registration for Waec, NECO, JAM, and many others. So just drop your comments. If you are a student, you can also ask questions about the upcoming exam. But one thing you should know is that for those who are just coming up, these are the details you are going to submit for next year examination. The CAS will contain 3 categories of subjects. We have the business, we have the humanities, and we have the sciences. So there are some subject changes, especially for economics. Economics is not more in the humanities category. And remember that if you select any subject from any category and you switch to another category, it automatically deletes, erases your choices. Then we have four trade subjects. Actually, yes, there are 4 trade subjects. One of them is the fashion design. As you can see, it's a trade option. The other one is beauty. The other one is computer hardware, and then we have the livestock. So these are the 4 trade subjects you are going to find. And if you go to business category, you realize that they are all there. Yes, they are the 4 trade subjects. You're welcome. Thank you for coming in. Haliyadu Samsung, you're welcome to the live. So, like I was saying, no, it's not a scam. It's about a software. If you are not into West African examination, then the training is not for you. It's only for students within West Africa. Yes, this is why this is the first practice that will be carried out before. Yes, Nigeria, Ghana, and 5 other West African countries. You can see the list from here. These are the list of countries carrying out Waec. We have the Ghana, we have Liberia, we have Nigeria, we have Sierra Leone, and the Gambia. So these 5 countries are involved with the Waec. So for those who are going to be involved in registering students for the 2026 examination, this live is for you in case of any question. So if you are familiar with Nigerian examination, you can look at the logo, you know about Waec. We have the NECO. So this information is for those who, even if you are not involved in the examination, you probably have people who are going to take the examination as far as you are within these 5 countries. So this information is for students, it's for school administrators, it's for cyber cafe owners who are going to be involved in the data collection for 2026 candidates. So the CA software, that is the one that is currently open. The CA software is for collection of continuous assessment, and we usually collect it from June until January, but for this year it has been fast forwarded that we have to collect it from now till the end of this October. That way we will be able to register any student that has been enrolled on this very system. As you can see, this is the CAS capture management system. It's automation made easy. That is just their tagline. There is also the NECO that will reflect those who are going to also enroll for NECO. So as of last week, we had about 30,000 centers, and all these 30,000 centers might be affected with the new curriculum updates in Nigeria. So as it's not more news that the Nigerian government have updated the curriculum for the whole country. So Waec has already gone ahead to implement that. Is that understood? Waec has gone ahead to implement it on the platforms. So I'll open this browser instead. So this is So as you can see, if you are getting involved, there are 3 websites that are also supposed to be featured. This one is for cars, and you find it on Waec International. Just do a Google search. So if you go to Waec International/cars, you'll be able to log in. So this on this platform, you'll be able to log in to upload your candidate, or you can use the software. The software also allows you to upload directly from it. But sometimes if your network is bad, upload the pass to online system. So these are the details you need to provide if you want to upload the test. But the information and the reason for this live broadcast is not for us to go into the cast proper. It's just for us to be sensitized about the changes that has already occurred. Let me show you the NECO software. It's actually going to be maybe the same. Yes. So in the desktop you can see this is the previous NECO software. On the upload, you can upload the entire center. You can upload a selected candidate. So that is not why I'm here today. So now another problem that occurred is that some people have already uploaded their data. Some people have already uploaded their data to the Waec system. I will just move over the camera because I want to log in. Let me close some tabs on. Some people have already uploaded their data to the Waec system, but the data went in with an error. Let's see. Waec International. So I just wanted to complete logging in so that I can be able to It seems like my system is connected to a different hotspot. It's supposed to be on Starlink, that's why it's actually slow. Saman code na Rabiu VIP nan.
So 2626.
Huh?
262626.
So let me just swap the connection on my system.
Ina ga akwai bayo ka dauko mu. Wannan ba. Rayo.
So I'm back on Starlink. You're welcome if you're just coming in.
Wannan keynote ne ko me yake cewa sa ne wani kai da
Alright. So this is the portal. To log in as user, you can now verify school PIN. So this school had already uploaded this is if you are trying to upload. But for now we want to see the school record because the record was already uploaded before the update of the software. So as you can see, it's empty because it was recently deleted. Oh, it's still here. Look at this. So these data are all invalid data because it cannot work in the 2026 examination, and which means all the students that are registered, if the Waec office doesn't delete this data, the school will have to register the students in addition to what they already have. And this is also the NECO software. This is how it looks like. This is the 2025 version, but these have always been looking the same. So if you are coming in and this video is related to you, you can put your question in the comment section. I would respond to you by showing you the practical way on how to resolve any issue that is related to this. So let's take this. So they have swapped. Look at they have swapped citizenship for with civic education. But what you notice is that marketing has been selected as the threat. But marketing is no longer a threat, and you cannot do marketing and economic and geography together. That is what I was talking about. See something like this. You can see you can even select the class here you are trying to upload for. This is something that is new. So right now, economic and marketing, they are business categories. Which means if I decide to select economics, this is marketing, and add economics and geography, just like we saw in the previous video, you can't be able to do them. So that data need to be deleted, and after that data is deleted, there's something you need to do. What do you need to do after that data is deleted? And for you to delete it, you need to write to your state office. So let's go back to this. You see that it has removed it completely. I selected it previously, but it has removed it, which means that's geography I was looking for. It's here. That's the problem we have on this 2026 examination. But anyways, everything will be okay if you are just doing it newly. But what if I've already uploaded my CAS? If you have uploaded your CAS, come back here. You see, there is generate next CAS year entries. This is for promoting the candidate. If you only did the year one, you have not yet promoted them, then you just follow the next tutorial. But if you already did promote them, first of all, reset the promotion status. That is to erase any CS that has been entered for those students. If you reset, it's going to erase their CA. Then you will now click on remove. So if you click on remove, you come to year 2, because the one you want to remove is year 2. It's supposed to be 2024. The 2024 has not yet been populated on my system, but it's supposed to be 2024. So you want to reset the year 2 for 2024. That is when it will erase all the students then. For instance, there is a year 2 for 2023. Those are for candidates that have just completed their Waec last year. This year, those who wrote this year, they have their data on this very group. So year 2 for 2024, if you have already promoted, then just remove it. By the time you remove it, you are okay with that. You can now go back. You can now go back to edit registration. From edit registration now, you can just, I want to edit year 1 2022. So let me just switch the school and show you it's something that I have data on. So if you look at the number of schools on my system, you know that, oh, Abdurrahman, yeah, thank you, you're welcome. Thank you for the like. So you see this notice, it's always popping up on the software. That is because they are trying to make sure that anybody who is coming in and has updated should be able to get notified about this information. So how do we edit? You come here, you click on this 2023. That is after you have removed the promotion. If you already did, you remove the promotion. Let's edit this student. Now look at this student. This student has had how many subjects? 14 subjects selected, but that's not possible. This student can either be an art or science. Now look at the mixture. We have marketing, which is in the business class, economic in the business class, geography in the science class, and then government in the arts and humanity. So this is not going to be possible this year. And how is that possible? If we come back here, this student, let's say this student is in the humanity class. If he's in the humanity class, we'll first drop all this. We'll first drop all these ones. And as you can see, there is no thread that is selected, so we have to select thread as livestock. This is livestock farm. A lot of schools will be dodging away from the computer hardware and GSM, whatever. So we have 6. So which subject is not here? In regard to science, in regard to humanity, if the student is in humanity, in regard to humanity, we remove biology. So we have general mathematics, we will have livestock farming. So the first thing you select is the religion. So for humanities, they will do one religion. They will do one religion and combine it with others. Let's remove agri, biology, chemistry, physics.
Wannan biyu na ƙarshen nan an gaya min su ne mai biyar ne.
So let's take livestock. Literature, Islamic, Nigerian history, government, geography is not going to be among, economics will not be there, marketing will not also be there. So you need to select one Nigerian language. Which Nigerian language should we select? Let's say this student want to do Hausa language. So it's now 9. 9. Let's update this. So update this student. As you can see now, Busu Adamu Ali with class reference number this has been updated. Okay, so look at the difference. This is Busu Adamu Ali, this is Mr. Mustafa with 14 subjects. That is, all these candidates have registered. I have to follow them one after the other and erase this. Okay, I need to buy key before building cars on the server. No, you don't need to buy. You cannot buy the key for cars. The key that is bought is the key for SSCE. For the cars upload pin, the school has been given a pin. The pin doesn't change. It remains theirs year by year. So you need to request it. If it's a new center, they should ask the Waec state office in your state. They will provide that for you. But if you misplace it, maybe they will ask you for a 2,000 naira fee. That will be the one for them to print another pin for you. So which category are you? Abdurrahman? Yeah. Did you upload your cars before now? Are you just going to start? Are you using a new system? Do you have previous data that are saved? So if everyone is okay with this, I think I'll host another live sometime. Yes, if you did CAS last year, yes, 2024, and then the student had written this year, you can still use the same pin. It doesn't change. But the only one that changes is for the biometric, the one you use for thumbprint. That's the one that changes. Do you have any other question? Yes, Caspin is not changing. You don't change Caspin. So I'm using this. I'm using my phone to do this live because my system audio is very bad and I think it's very noisy as well. Oh, you're welcome from Katsina. So if you have any issue in regard to the Waec NECO, the channel has all the social links and also the WhatsApp contact you can use to communicate your issues. And probably will be able to help you within a reasonable amount of time. And also, if you drop a comment on the videos, except for special reasons, I will be able to respond to you within 24 hours if you have any doubt, any question, any problem. But if you are new into the system, you can use this as well to practice. The registration for the new systems are offline, so you can download as much as possible. You just need to have a supported device, 4 gig RAM, maybe at least 64 gig storage, and that will do. Waec doesn't consume a lot of storage. Also, it doesn't consume a lot of resources. So for the devices you are going to be using for the thumbprint, we have the Xenox brand, Xenox fingerprint. This can work on the Waec. It runs the UIU fingerprint scanner drivers. Let me just show you. So you can use this one for Waec. You can use this one. You can buy it maybe from Jumia or Gigi, or you can use this one, digital personnel, but not this. It's either this or this, because they run the same software. You see, digital personnel. Then for NECO, we have the Footronic. That one, they don't have an option. Footronic. So this is Footronic. This is what you use for the Waec. This is what you use for NECO. So then also for camera, we use the Microsoft HD 3000. So you can see that the Microsoft HD